The entire trading space is just one big lie, and it's kind of starting to throw me off about how ignorant you guys are to the reality of the industry. I've been trading for a little bit over 3.5 years now, and I've been posting for almost 2 of those with over $400,000 in real profits to show for you guys. And the longer I'm in the trading space, the more I realize how oblivious I was to so many misconceptions from the start. For starters, you are motivated to believe that you have a chance of becoming profitable, that you, out of all people, are the chosen one of the select few that are bound to make money trading. Have you seen the statistics behind a profitable trader? Have you seen the statistics behind a prop firm? Prop firms make money off 99.98% of traders failing, blowing their accounts. They count on people like you who go on tilt, who go off their edge on a consistent daily basis and just spend hundreds, if not thousands of dollars a month on funded accounts. They don't care to make you a better trader. They don't care for you to be profitable. They show you maybe my lifestyle. They show you other profitable traders' lifestyles in hope to motivate you, in hopes to make you want to dream bigger and be better at trading. And all that makes you do is be more impatient. All that's causing you to do is be more inconsistent, be more angry that you are not where you want to be yet. And where does that put you? That puts you in a shitty financial position where all you are doing is full porting your accounts. All you're doing is over trading, over leveraging because you are angry. You are upset that you don't live that dream lifestyle that all these traders online do, right? 3 years ago, I was still in high school. I was learning how to trade. I was depressed, bro. I was just coming out of a huge car crash. I totaled my car. Next thing I know, one of my best friends is day trading. He put me on this shit, bro. You guys might know him. He put me on this shit, right? I would not be where I am without my best friend right now, right? And statistically, we were both supposed to fail. We were both supposed to be poor traders. We were both supposed to be just part of the 99% of traders that statistically end up failing and losing money. So what made us different? What made us part of that 1% of traders that didn't feed into common misconceptions and didn't end up losing all their money trading? Right? Was it our strategy? Was it our system? Was it our psychology? Or was it purely our habits? Right? Well, partly I would 100% dedicate a lot of my success to just simply not giving up, to simply showing up day after day after a loss, after blowing my funded, after blowing my eval. I didn't care because I was delusional enough to understand that no matter where I was in life, I was going to make trading work. That no matter what I was doing and where I was going to be in 5 years, I would still be trading. And that is a promise I made to myself that I still stick by to this day. No matter how hard things get sometimes, no matter how bad of a trading day I'm having, no matter how bad of a trading month I'm having, I will stick through it because that is the promise I made to my younger self, to that version of myself that was struggling, to that version of myself who was depressed and obsessed with making trading work. And the whole point of this video wasn't for me to sit here and tell you guys how me and my friend made it trading and how me and my friend actually make all this money trading simply because we were delusional. I want to make this video about common misconceptions that are fed to you guys on a daily basis, video after video, and make you think that you're just going to become magically profitable overnight, right? So partly is what made us profitable, and the other half is what bullshit you're being fed online that is starting to throw me off because I'm seeing so many people post it. For starters, there's no secret model, right? You can watch all the YouTube videos you want. I might be a victim to this. I'll post some videos about my model. You are not expected to become profitable by simply watching 1 or 2 videos on this secret strategy that made me $800 million overnight, right? That is never going to work. The reality is you'll never be able to perfectly implement anyone else's strategy or model or system into your trading. Why? Everyone views the market in their own perspective. Everyone has their own perspective and their own point of view of how the market moves and why it moves that way. So just because person A took a trade off X, Y, and Z doesn't mean you have to understand his trade, right? Person B might have taken a short while person A took a long, and they might have both made money, right? Your bias, your entry, your exit, your confluences will always be different from each person you meet, right? And it throws me off because everyone seems to think there's only one perfect strategy. Oh, order flow is king. Oh, ICT is king. Oh, supply and demand is king. No, this is king, right? The reality is whatever makes sense to you is what you should be applying to the market, right? I personally trade ICT concepts. Do I recommend that for everyone? Absolutely not. I see a lot of people really struggle with it, and I see a lot of people make a lot more money from ICT when they didn't make money with it, with order flow, with supply and demand, with literally anything that wasn't ICT. And I've seen that vice versa as well. I have friends who traded order flow who didn't understand it. I taught them ICT, and now they're making all this money with ICT concepts, right? It really varies from person to person to your understanding of how you can implement these concepts to the market, right? So don't go online and watch this video of how someone became profitable overnight, of how this one model changed my life, because that is not going to change your life by any means. What's going to change your life with trading, hypothetically, would be you showing up to the markets every day. Would be you being so delusional that trading is going to work and has to work out in your favor, that you will show up to the markets every day for 3 to 5 years, win or lose, follow a system and fix it. Follow a system and tweak every mistake for years to the extent where you've built that discretion to make the market finally click for you. Because the reality is, one system will not work for everyone. There's no one size fits all in trading, and there never will be, right? I know you see all these people telling you that, oh, this one system is so simple, a baby can understand it. That doesn't mean you should or have to understand it. That doesn't mean I will understand it. That doesn't mean Warren Buffett will understand it, right? All that matters is that the system that you pick, that you selected for yourself, makes sense to you and that you can implement it in the market, right? Because I'm so sick of you guys getting misled and being fed all these misconceptions that you are bound to be successful in trading, that you are bound to become profitable overnight, because the reality is 99.98% of you guys are going to lose money trading, right? And most of you guys are going to lose money trading if you stick to one system and just think that's the one that's meant to work for you, right? When I preach stick to one strategy, that's because I'm telling you guys to try to learn a strategy to its fullest capability and actually apply it. And if that doesn't make sense for a few months, then switch. Then by all means switch. But don't get married to one system, because that might not be the one for you. That might not be the one that's gonna make you all this money trading, because you don't understand it. If you do not understand a strategy, don't be afraid to learn something new, right? Everyone online tells you, oh my God, you shouldn't be overlearning in trading. You shouldn't be doing all of this. I'm not going here and telling you to learn 1,000 different strategies. But by all means, am I not opposed to you or myself learning new systems every few weeks and applying it to my already existing profitable strategy, right? For example, Fibonacci retracements. I was already making multiple 5 figures a month before I discovered what they were. I went into a little bit of a trading slump in late 2025. I learned about fibs. I applied them more to my trading. Next thing you know, I'm consistently doing multiple 5-figure months again with my trading. Why is that? Because I wasn't afraid to tell myself my system isn't perfect. My system needs fine-tuning. What can I apply to my system? I went and learned a bunch of new strategies, a bunch of new concepts, and I picked and chose one of them that actually aligned with my system, right? So I'm not telling you to go out there and learn every strategy in the world, but I'm telling you that there is no one size fits all when it comes to trading. Find what makes sense to you. Stick to it, be consistent, and be so delusional that this is gonna work for you, because the reality is there is no other way around it. If you ask any profitable trader what clicked for them, they're gonna tell you time to build discretion, time that they were so delusional that trading was the only thing that was meant to work for them. If I were to go back in time right now, 3 years ago in the past, and have to relearn trading, I genuinely don't know if I would be able to go through the shit that I was put through at that age. I was a 17-year-old kid blowing accounts every day in class. There was a day where I literally had to go home because I had a $23,000 payout secured with one-of-one funding, and I hit daily loss limit. I blew my account because on CFD firms, daily loss limit does blow your accounts. So I hit daily loss limit on a CFD firm. That breached the account. $23,000 payout down the drain. I had to get checked out of school because my stomach dropped to the point where I could not stand up. I could not be seen by my classmates. I could not be seen in school. I literally got in my car and drove home, right? So if I had to relive that experience, I genuinely don't know if I could. All I know is at that point in time, that younger version of myself made himself a promise that he would not give up at trading, made himself a promise that he is so delusional, he was gonna make this work, right? And fast forward 3 years, now I'm here teaching you guys how to trade. Now I'm here living basically a pretty sweet life. I'm traveling right now with some of my friends. I'm in fucking Bali. Yes, this Airbnb is dirt cheap. I'm LARPing a dirt cheap Airbnb. I really don't care. but I am traveling the world at the age of 20. I just bought a Lamborghini Urus Performante last week, and hopefully by the end of the year, I could buy my first real estate property. All because I was so obsessed and so delusional with myself that I was going to make this work. So stop thinking there's gonna be a magic model or a magic system that is going to make you profitable overnight, right? Find a system that makes sense to you, and if it doesn't make sense to you, move on to the next. All right, that is all I have to say, and I'll see you boys in the next one. Peace out.